Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a condition that affects millions of people around the world, adrenal fatigue. This condition is often misunderstood, misdiagnosed, and overlooked, but it can cause serious health problems if left untreated. In this video, we'll discuss the symptoms of adrenal fatigue, its causes, and the most effective ways to cure it. What is adrenal fatigue? Adrenal fatigue is a condition that occurs when the adrenal glands, which are responsible for producing hormones like cortisol, become overworked and cannot keep up with the body's demands. The condition is often triggered by chronic stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, and other factors that can cause the adrenal glands to become depleted. Symptoms of adrenal fatigue. The symptoms of adrenal fatigue can vary from person to person, but some of the most common symptoms include fatigue and low energy levels, insomnia and difficulty sleeping, brain fog and difficulty concentrating, anxiety and depression, weight gain and difficulty losing weight, reduced immunity and frequent illness, adrenaline rushes and difficulty handling stress, low libido and sexual dysfunction. Causes of adrenal fatigue. There are several factors that can contribute to the development of adrenal fatigue, including chronic stress, poor diet and nutrition, lack of sleep or poor sleep quality, excessive caffeine or alcohol consumption, overexercising or not exercising enough, environmental toxins and pollution, underlying health conditions, such as autoimmune disease or thyroid disorders. Curing adrenal fatigue. The good news is that adrenal fatigue is treatable, and there are several natural remedies that you can use to help restore your adrenal function. Some of the most effective ways to cure adrenal fatigue include reducing stress through meditation, yoga, or other relaxation techniques, eating a healthy, balanced diet that is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, getting regular exercise, but avoiding overexertion, getting enough sleep and establishing healthy sleep habits, limiting caffeine and alcohol consumption, avoiding environmental toxins and pollution, taking natural supplements, such as ashwagandha or magnesium, to support adrenal function. Adrenal fatigue can be a debilitating condition, but it is treatable with the right strategies and support. If you are experiencing symptoms of adrenal fatigue, it's important to seek medical advice and work with a qualified healthcare professional to develop a customized treatment plan that works for you. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share and subscribe for more content like this.